Repurposing old kitchen wood into eco-luxury decor and high-profit design pieces has become one of the most exciting, forward-thinking movements in modern craftsmanship. And the reason behind this growing inspiration lies in the powerful intersection of environmental awareness, emotional connection, creative expression, and financial opportunity. At a time when sustainability is no longer a fringe concept, but a defining value shaping how people live, build, and decorate, old kitchen wood offers makers an abundant and ethically responsible resource that holds both artistic richness and commercial potential. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. Instead of discarding cabinet doors, shelving, drawers, trim, and butcher block counters during renovations, homeowners and woodworkers are recognizing these pieces as valuable raw materials capable of being transformed into elegant wall art, luxury home decor, shelving systems, serving boards, furniture accents, lighting fixtures, and countless other high-impact designs that elevate interiors while reducing waste. The inspiration begins with the awareness that repurposing old wood is an act of environmental stewardship. It keeps useful materials out of landfills, decreases the demand for new lumber, and reduces the energy footprint associated with manufacturing new products. Every drawer front or cabinet panel reused represents a victory for resourcefulness, a shift from a wasteful culture toward one that values renewal, creativity, and responsible living. But the motivation runs deeper than environmental benefits alone. Old kitchen wood carries a warmth, grain pattern, and depth of character that new materials simply cannot replicate. These pieces have absorbed years of family life, daily routines, and personal history, and that quiet sense of story and humanity becomes an emotional ingredient in the decor crafted from them. When transformed into minimalist wall art, rustic shelving, mid-century inspired trays, or modern geometric home accents, the wood brings with it a visual depth that enriches interior spaces with layers of authenticity and subtle nostalgia, giving homeowners something that feels not just beautiful but meaningful. This emotional power resonates especially strongly in luxury decor markets, where buyers increasingly gravitate toward items that feel distinctive and one-of-a-kind rather than mass-produced. Eco-luxury is redefining premium design, not as something defined by rare new materials, but by thoughtful creation, unique character, hand craftsmanship, and conscious sourcing. A piece of wall decor crafted from repurposed kitchen cabinet doors, polished and redesigned with modern metal hardware or contemporary matte finishes, communicates something powerful about the homeowner: a respect for craft, a desire to live sustainably, and a taste for uniqueness that stands out in a world of predictable retail offerings. This sense of identity and personal expression is one of the strongest reasons creatives are inspired to repurpose old kitchen wood. With just sanding, cutting, fresh finishing, stain or paint, and intentional design choices, discarded materials can be elevated into gallery-worthy pieces that speak to the rising demand for eco-luxury artistry. Buyers appreciate not just the finished object but the story behind it, and stories sell. The origin of the wood, the marks of its previous life, and the vision that transformed it all become selling points that differentiate handcrafted decor from factory-built products and allow makers to charge premium prices. Financially, repurposing old kitchen wood is one of the most profitable opportunities in the handmade decor and small woodworking business world. The cost of materials is extremely low, often free, because many homeowners would gladly give away old cabinets rather than pay to dispose of them. Salvage yards, renovation sites, construction waste piles, and social marketplaces are full of solid wood pieces waiting to be rescued. Makers gain access to high-quality hardwoods like oak, maple, walnut, cherry, pine, and birch at nearly zero cost, a tremendous advantage at a time when lumber prices continue to rise. When low material cost is combined with high perceived value, strong margins become possible. A scrap of reclaimed cabinet wood, sanded smooth and fitted with metal handles, can become a sleek serving tray sold at a premium. A panel from an old cupboard can be refinished and turned into a farmhouse-style wall sign, modern geometric art, or a decorative shelf. Even small offcuts can become high-profit items such as coasters, candle risers, plant stands, or small desktop decor pieces. The low overhead means more room for profit and creative freedom, making this approach especially appealing for new business owners looking to scale slowly or run lean. Many successful woodworking entrepreneurs began exactly this way, building a product line from salvaged kitchen wood, selling pieces at local markets or online, and developing their brand around sustainable craftsmanship and modern design values. Beyond profits and sustainability, the inspiration to repurpose old kitchen wood also stems from the joy and personal fulfillment of creative reinvention. There is something deeply rewarding about taking a piece that once seemed worn out, scratched, or outdated and transforming it into a work of beauty that people will proudly display in their homes. It fosters a sense of problem-solving, invention, and artistic vision as makers learn to see not what something is, but what it could become. Old wood is a teacher. It forces designers to adapt to its dimensions, grain, imperfections, and patina, encouraging them to work with the material rather than impose upon it. These limitations often lead to surprising breakthroughs in design thinking, pushing creatives beyond conventional forms and into artistic territory where innovation flourishes. For many creators, the process becomes a deeply meditative practice as well, hands touching natural material, working slowly with tools, reconnecting with traditional craftsmanship in a digital world. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Every sanding pass reveals new textures, every fresh coat of oil or stain awakens dormant beauty, and every assembled piece becomes tangible proof that renewal is always possible if one has the imagination to see it. The movement has also been fueled by shifting cultural values around interior design. Homeowners today want spaces that feel grounded, authentic, and connected to something real. The minimalist trend emphasizes fewer objects of higher meaning, pieces chosen intentionally rather than acquired impulsively. Repurposed kitchen wood fits seamlessly into this philosophy, offering decor that feels honest, simple, and rooted in natural materiality. Whether incorporated into modern Scandinavian spaces, rustic farmhouse homes, industrial loft interiors, or Japanese-inspired minimalism, reclaimed wood adds warmth and personality without visual clutter. Its organic tones soften contemporary lines and humanize spaces that might otherwise feel sterile or overly technical. And because each piece of repurposed decor is unique in wood grain, tone, and history, no two homes look the same. In an era where personal expression matters more than ever, this uniqueness has real emotional and market value. Additionally, the accessibility of repurposing kitchen wood inspires many creatives to begin even with limited skill, space, or tools. A large workshop is not required. A small garage, a balcony, or a single workbench is enough to begin with sanding, refinishing, cutting, sealing, and assembling. With basic tools, a saw, sander, clamps, brushes, and imagination, anyone can begin experimenting and building confidence. Social media platforms are now filled with makers showcasing their transformations step by step, inspiring others worldwide to try their own projects and share results. This sense of community fuels the movement, turning woodworking and furniture upcycling into something bigger than craft, a culture of creativity, sustainability, shared learning, and empowerment. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.